10th Standard Science Law of Motions Additional Questions. Choose the correct answer. 1. A cricketer catches a ball question of mass 150 gm in 0.1 s and which is moving with a speed of 20 ms minus 1. Then he experiences the force of option B 30 n. Hint: impulse is equal to change in momentum. F triangle T is equal to mv minus mu. F is equal to mv minus mu by T is equal to 150 into 10 power minus 3 into 20 by 0.1 is equal to 30 n. Question 2. SI unit of force is Newton. Option B. Question 3. A coin is dropped in a lift. It takes time t1 to reach the floor. When the lift is stationary, it takes t2 when the lift is moving up with constant acceleration. Then t1 is greater than t2. Option A. Question 4. An unbalanced force acts on a body. The body must be accelerated. Option B. 5. A satellite in its orbit around the Earth is weightless on account of its angular momentum. When two or more forces acting on a body and the body does not change its position, then the forces are balanced forces. What would be the acceleration due to gravity at one other planet whose mass and radius go twice that of Earth? Option B. G by 2. Hint: we know that G is equal to Gm by R2. G1 by G2 is equal to Gm by R square by G.2m by 4R square. G1 by G2 is equal to 2, then G2 is equal to half G1. At sea level, the value of G is maximum at the poles. An object cannot change the state of rest or motion until a force is applied. This inability of the object is called inertia. The ability of a body to maintain its states of rest or motion is called inertia. Deals with the bodies which are at rest under the actions of forces. Statics. A motor car starts from rest and moves after 5 seconds. If its velocity is 200 meter per second, then its acceleration is 40 ms square. Kinetics deals with the motions of bodies considering the cause of motion. Mass into velocity is equal to linear momentum. The inability of the body to change its state is inertia. Two or more forces of equal or unequal magnitude acting along the same direction parallel to each other are called like parallel force. The axis of the fixed edge about which the thing is rotated is called as axis of rotation. When a net force acts on an object, the object will be accelerated in the direction of force with an acceleration proportional to force of the object. Rotating effect of a couple is known as momentum of a couple. The amount of force required to produce an acceleration of 1 ms minus 2 in a body of mass 1 kg is called unit force. The acceleration of a body is due to unbalanced force. Universal gravitational constant G is equal to 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 nm square kg minus 2. Mean square value of the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 ms minus 2. The unit of weight is Newton. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.625 ms minus 2. The unit of weight is Newton. The weight of a body is more poles than at the equatorial region. In a collision between a heavier body and a lighter body, which body experience greater force? A heavier body, B light. Both the body experience same force. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Turning a tap is an example of answer. Couple. Torque is a vector quantity. 1 GF is equal to 980 dyne. The resultant force acting on a body is equal to 0. Then the body will be in equilibrium. The force equal to resultant but opposite in direction is equivalent. The product of force and time is impulse. The force between the masses is always attractive. The quantity of matter contained in the object is known as mass. The magnitude of the universal gravitational constant is 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 nm square kg minus 2. Propulsion of rockets is based on the law of observation of linear momentum and Newton's third law. Parallel unequal forces are acting in opposite directions. Torque and force are the vector quantities. The unit of moment of a couple is Newton meter Nm. A steering wheel torque enables you to maneuver a car easily by transferring to the wheels with less effort. force is required to produce the acceleration of a body. The acceleration is produced along the radius is called centripetal acceleration. Impulse is equal to the magnitude of change in momentum. A large force acting for a very short interval of time is called as impulsive force. Question 19. Mass of the Earth 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. The relation between acceleration due to gravity g and the universal gravitational constant g is g by gm by r square. State whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the statement if it is false. Rest and motion are related terms. True. In the CGS system, the unit of linear momentum is kg minus ms minus 1. Answer false. Correct statement. In the CGS system, the unit of linear momentum is gcms minus 1. An external force is required to maintain the motion of a body moving with uniform velocity. False. Correct statement. No external force is required to maintain the motion of a body moving with uniform velocity. The amount of force required for a body of mass 1 gram produces an acceleration of 1 centimeter s minus 2. True. By Newton's third law of motion, the action force is not equal to the force. False. Correct statement. By Newton's third law of motion, the action force is equal to the reaction force. The value of acceleration due to gravity is not same at all the points on the surface of the earth. True. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 1.625 ms minus 2. True. The irregularities of the motion of stars are called wobble. False. Correct statement. The irregularities in the motion of stars is called wobble. Mechanics is divided into kinematics and kinetics. False. Mechanics is divided into statics and dynamics. Application of Newton's law of gravitation helps to predict the path of the astronomical bodies. True. Match the following. Question 1. Linear momentum, mass and velocity. Force, mass and acceleration. Movement of force, force at perpendicular distance. Impulse, change in momentum. Acceleration due to gravity, gm by r square. Question 2. Kinetics, the motion of bodies with cause. Kinematics, the motion of bodies without cause. Balanced force, in equilibrium. Unbalanced force, cause the motion. Assertion and reasoning. Mark the correct choice as A if both the assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. If both the assertion and the reason are true but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion is true but the reason is false. Assertion is false but the reason is true. Assertion. At poles, value of acceleration due to gravity is greater than of the equator. Earth rotates on its axis in addition to revolving around the sun. If both the assertion and the reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. The force exerted by the earth on an apple is more than that exerted by apple on the earth. The force on apple exerts on the earth is determined by the mass of the apple only. The assertion is false but the reason is true. A freely falling body is in the state of weightlessness. A body becomes conscious of its weight only when it is opposed. If both the assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Newton's third law of motion is applicable only when bodies are in motion. Newton's third law applies to all types of forces, example gravitational, electric or magnetic forces. Answer D. The assertion is false but the reason is true. Assertion. The apparent weight of the person is zero, in which condition or state is known as weightless. Reaction. When the person in the lift moves down with an acceleration A is equal to the acceleration due to gravity G. If both the assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. A gear is a circular wheel with teeth around its rim. It helps to change the speed of rotation of a wheel by changing the force and helps to transmit. The assertion is true but the reason is false. Power. Mass of your body is determined as a gravitational force exerted on it due to Earth's gravity alone. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. The assertion is false but the reason is true. Weight is a vector quantity. Direction of weight is always towards the center of the earth. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, resultant force is equal to the vector sum of all the forces. A system cannot be brought to equilibrium by applying another force. If both the assertion and reason are true but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Answer briefly. Define linear momentum. The product of mass and velocity of a moving body gives the magnitude of linear momentum. It acts in the direction of the velocity of the object. Linear momentum is a vector quantity. Linear momentum, mass into velocity. Unit of momentum in SI unit system is kg ms minus 1, and in CGS system it is gcm s minus 1. What is the resultant force? When several forces act simultaneously on the same body, then the combined effect of the multiple forces can be represented by the single force, which is termed as resultant force. What is meant by equilibrium? A system can be brought to equilibrium by applying another force which is equal to the resultant force in magnitude but opposite in direction. Such force is called as equilibrium. Explain the Newton's third law of motion with examples. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. They always act in two different bodies. Example, when you fire a bullet, the gun recoils backwards and the bullet is moving forward action, and the gun equalizes this forward action by moving backwards reaction. How did the change in momentum achieve? Change in momentum can be achieved in two waves. They are a large force acting for a short period of time and a smaller force acting for a longer period of time. Define impulse. A large force acting for a very short interval of time is called as an impulsive force. When a force F acts on a body for a period of time, then the product of force and time is known as impulse, represented by J. Impulse. J is equal to F into T. By Newton's second law, F is equal to triangle P by T. A refers to change. Triangle P is equal to F into T. From 1 and 2, J is equal to delta P. Impulse is also equal to the magnitude of change in momentum. Its unit is kg ms minus 1 or ns. What is meant by free fall? When the person in the lift moves down with the acceleration a equal to the acceleration due to gravity, when a is equal to g, this motion is called as free fall. The apparent weight r is equal to m, g minus g is equal to 0 of the person is 0. The condition of state refers to the state of weightlessness. Define weightlessness. Whenever a body or a person falls freely under the action of Earth's gravitational force alone, it appears to have zero weight. The state is referred to as weightlessness. Explain the various causes of the apparent weight of a person in a moving lift. Case 1. Lift is moving upward with an acceleration. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration. Lift is falling down freely. A. R minus W is equal to F net is equal to MA is equal to R is equal to W plus MA. R is equal to MG plus MA. R is equal to MG plus A. W minus R, F net is equal to Ma. R is equal to W minus Ma. R is equal to MG minus Ma. R is equal to MG minus A. Here the acceleration is 0. A is equal to 0. R is equal to W. R is equal to MG. Here the acceleration is equal to G. A is equal to G. R is equal to M by G minus G is equal to 0. R is greater than W. W is greater than R. R and W are equal. R is equal to 0. Apparent weight is greater than the actual weight. Apparent weight is lesser than the actual weight. Apparent weight is equal to the actual weight. Apparent weight is equal to 0. Explain the variation of acceleration due to gravity. Variation of acceleration due to gravity G. Since G depends on the geometric radius of the Earth, G1 by R square, its value changes from one place to another on the surface of the Earth. The geometric radius of the Earth is maximum in the equatorial region and minimum in the polar region. The value of G is maximum in the polar region and minimum at the equatorial region. When you move to a higher latitude from the surface of the Earth, the value of G reduces. When you move deep below the surface of the Earth, the value of G reduces. Value of G is 0 at the center of the Earth. Define 1 Newton and 1 dyne. Definition of 1 Newton. The amount of force N required for a body for a mass 1 kg produces an acceleration of 1 ms minus 2. 1 N is equal to 1 kg ms minus 2. Definition of 1 dyne. The amount of force required for a body of mass 1 gram produces an acceleration of 1 cms minus 2. 1 dyne is equal to 1 g cms minus 2. So 1 N is equal to 10 by 5 dyne. How can you measure the movement of a couple Rotating movement of a couple is known as the moment of a couple. Moment of a couple is measured by the product of any one of the forces and perpendicular distance between the line of action of two forces. The turning effect of a couple is measured by the magnitude of its moment. Moment of a couple. Force is equal to perpendicular distance between the line of action of forces. M is equal to F into S. Unit of movement of a couple in Newton meter. Nm is SI system and 9 centimeter in the CCS system. By convection, the direction of movement of a force or couple is taken as positive if the body is rotating in an anti-clockwise direction and negative if it is rotating in the clockwise direction. They are shown in figures. Clockwise movement, anti-clockwise movement. Define torque. The rotating or turning effect of a force about a fixed point or fixed axis is called the moment of the force about that point or torque. Torque is equal to F into T. Torque is the vector quantity. Its SI unit is M. Answer in detail. Explain 3 applications of torque. Application of torque. Gears. Answer. A gear is a circular wheel with teeth around its rim. It helps to change the speed of rotation of a wheel by changing the torque and helps to transmit power. Seesaw. Most of you have played on the seesaw. Since there is a difference in the weight of the person sitting on it, the heavier person lifts the lighter person. When the heavier person comes closer to the pivot point, fulcrum, the distance of the line of action of the force decreases. It causes less amount of torque to act on it. This enables the lighter person to lift the heavier person. Steering wheel. A small steering wheel enables you to maneuver a car easily by transferring torque to the wheels with less effort. State Newton's third law. Explain it with 3 examples. Question 2 answer. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. They always act in 2 different bodies. If a body A applies a force Fa on a body B, then the body B reacts with the force Fb on the body A, which is equal to Fa in magnitude, but opposite in direction. Fb is equal to minus Fa. Examples. When birds fly, they push the air downwards with their wings action and the air pushes the bird to upwards reaction. When the person swims, he pushes the water using the hands backwards action and the water pushes the swimmer in the forward direction reaction. When you fire a bullet, the gun recoils backwards and the bullet is moving forward action and the gun equalizes this forward action by moving backwards reaction. Derive the relation between G and capital G the small g. Explain how to determine the mass of Earth. Answer. Let us compute the magnitude of this force in 2 ways. Let M be the mass of the Earth and M be the mass of the body. The entire mass of the Earth is assumed to be concentrated as its center. The radius of the Earth is R 63786400 kilometer approximately. By Newton's law of gravitation, the force acting on the body is given by F is equal to G capital M by R capital square. Equation 1. M R F M Earth object. Relation between G small and G capital. The radius of the body considered is negligible when compared with the Earth's radius. Now the same force can be obtained from Newton's second law of motion. According to this law, the force acting on the body is given by the product of its mass and acceleration called weight. Here, acceleration of the body is under the action of gravity, hence A is equal to G. F is equal to Ma is equal to mg. F is equal to weight is equal to mg. Comparing equations, J is equal to F into T and delta P is equal to F into T. We get mg is equal to capital G, capital M, small m by capital R square. Equation 3, equation 2. Acceleration due to gravity. G small is equal to capital G, capital M, small m by R square. Equation 4. Capital. Mass of the earth M capital. Rearranging the equation 4, the mass of the earth is obtained as follows. Mass of the earth M is equal to G capital R square by capital G. Substituting the known values of G, R capital and G capital, you can calculate the mass of the earth as M is equal to 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. Problems. Question 1. 8. A cricket ball of mass 0.5 kg strikes a bat normally with a velocity of 30 ms minus 1 and rebounds with a variety of 20 ms minus 1 in the opposite direction. Calculate the impulse of the force exerted by the ball on the bat. Solution. Impulse is equal to change in momentum is equal to mu minus of minus mv. Mu plus v. 0.5 30 plus 20 25 ns. A force exerted on a body question 2 of mass 100 kg changes its speed by 0.2 ms minus 1 in each second. Calculate the magnitude of the force. Given mass m is equal to 100 g is equal to 0.1 g and acceleration a is equal to 200 cms minus 2 is equal to 0.2 ms minus 2. Solution. F is equal to ma is equal to 0.1 into 0.2 is equal to 0.02 n.